Open Sesame! Welcome to my channel, Genies by AB. Hey, hello guys, it's story time. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Open Sesame!
In the pot, the water dances, bubbles rise, a boiling trances. Heat transforms, the flavors bloom, a rolling boil dispels the gloom. From the jug, a smooth cascade, golden streams in rivers laid. With each pour, the dish takes form, filling hearts and keeping warm. With a blade, the crisp divide, each cut sharp, so smooth, so wide. Precision slices, neat and clean, revealing beauty fresh and keen. In the oven, warmth and glow, dough transforms, a rising show. Golden crust, a fragrant treat, baking makes the moment sweet. On the flames the sizzle calls, smoking twines as fire enthralls. Grill marks trace a tasty line, seared to savory, simply divine. Oil pops, a crispy song, golden brown where edges throng. Frying turns the humble piece into something rich, a masterpiece. Skin removed with steady hand, revealing fruit so smooth and grand. Peel away, uncover light, hidden treasures brought to sight. Gently bubbling, soft and slow, flavors meld, begin to grow. In a simmer, time takes care, building depth beyond compare. Stir the spoon, combine with grace, different pieces find their place. Mixing brings a harmony, a blend of tastes in unity.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.